Hello everyone, this is Akanksha from English Logger. Today we are going to do one of a poem written by Tom Cruise, and the title of the poem is Just Me. So let's start this poem with a summary. What's the summary of the poem? That since he was a child, the speaker knew he was great. He had been told by many people that he would do very well in his life. When he played in the backyard, he played very well, but in match, he didn't perform well. He was thinking that he was king of that very game, and for his failure he used to blame his teammates, the coaches, and the referee for his own fault. He couldn't be responsible as he was the greatest. But one day he faced a mirror and he found that the fault lies into him only. All the problems were due to his failure, due to his fault, or due to that he was not performing well in the games. He realized that he needed to improve himself, and that was when he began to grow. He play he plays or his playing became better. He learned to depend on his friends, good friends, and to like himself. He stopped being great and learned to be better. So this is a summary of the poem. Let's start from the first paragraph. As you can see, it is written over there that what makes a person great. Read this poem to find out. It tells you about the experience of a basketball player. Not only basketball player, it is like sportsmen. So let's start. From the time I was little, I knew I was great. Because, here cause means because, the people would tell me, you make it, just wait. But they never did tell me how great I would be. But the people didn't say me or didn't tell me that how great I would be if I ever played someone who was greater than me. Here in the first paragraph, what the poet was saying that when I was little, I was knowing that I was great because the people used to tell me that one day you'll be the great. You'll do something that make you great. But they never told me that how great I would be, how much great I would be. But if I ever played someone who was greater than me, if I played with someone, if there will be a competition with someone, so how much great I would be. Nobody told me. Second paragraph. When I am in the backyard, I am king with the ball. Because he used to play himself alone. So he thought that he would be king. To swish all those baskets is no sweat at all. Swish means to do something with a hissing sound, basketball. But all of a sudden, there was a man in my face. I have seen a man. He has seen himself in the mirror, who doesn't seem to realize that I am king of this place, who doesn't make me realize that I am the person who is the king of the game. Then what happened next? So the pressure gets to me. Now he was under pressure because now there's a matter of competition. I rush with the ball. My passes to teammates could go through the wall. Wasn't able to pass the ball to teammates. My jumpers not falling. My loose t-shirt was not falling even. I trembles not sure that when I was moving the ball with several bounces, my hand is not steady. My hand wasn't moving. My eyes is not pure. So just because he was not able to concentrate as he was under pressure. Now, for this failure, he started blaming to others. For example, as you can see, you can read in the next para, the fault is my teammates. He was blaming to his teammates. They don't understand. The fault is my coaches. What a terrible plan they have made. The fault is the call by the blind referee. Now the referee is also blind because it happens with us as well. If we fail to do something, we started blaming to others, which is quite wrong, right? So we have to think that where we are wrong, how we have to improve ourselves. But the fault is not mine. He was saying there is no fault of mine. I am the greatest, you see. I am the greatest player because when he was little, the people used to say that you will make it, just wait. Then finally it hit me when I started to see that the face in the mirror looked exactly like me. That was me only. I am the only one who is in competition with me. So there's a competition, me and the person standing in front of me, and that is also me only. That the face in the mirror looked exactly like me. It wasn't my teammates who were dropping the ball, and it wasn't my coach shooting bricks at the wall. The lies in me only. That fact in the mirror that was always so great. The mirror is the only thing where we can see the actually face of ourselves. Had some room for improvement is instead of just hate. So I am not going to hate myself. There is a scope of improvement also. So I stopped blaming others. I have stopped blaming others and I started to grow. And my play got much better. I have improved and it started to show. It started showing. And all of my teammates didn't seem quite so bad. They were not bad at all. I learned to depend on the good friends I had. Now I like myself better since. I started liking myself as before. I started to see that I was loosey. Loosey means awful, being great. I don't want to be great, but at the same time, I want to be better so that there is always a scope of improvement. So we don't be egoistic when we are playing a game, when we are playing in a team, and we always show the sportsman spirit. A good leadership quality is required when we are playing any game. So this is it. I just hope that you have understood this poem. If it is so, just mention in the comment section that is below. You can subscribe English Vlogger. Thank you and have a nice day.